Welcome, dear viewers, to our special channel. Today, we present to you a delicious and distinctive recipe for preparing tasty sweets that combine great flavor with ease of preparation. We invite you to enjoy watching the recipe and benefit from it in your kitchen. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive all the latest and most special content. In a large bowl, we place a pinch of salt. Then, we add 200 grams of butter and mix the ingredients well. Next, we add half a cup of coarse sugar and stir all the ingredients until they are well combined. We then add a quarter cup of vegetable oil and continue mixing until all the ingredients are well combined. After that, we add half a cup of orange blossom water and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And finally, we begin adding the flour gradually according to the mixture until we achieve a cohesive texture. As for the filling, we need 250 grams of date paste. We add half a teaspoon of ground cloves, a tablespoon of any type of nuts, a tablespoon of sesame seeds, in addition to a tablespoon of cinnamon, and a tablespoon of butter. We mix all the ingredients with orange blossom water until we get a homogeneous mixture. Feel free to try this delicious recipe and share it with your loved ones. Here are some tips to ensure the success of your sweets and achieve great results. 1. Use high-quality ingredients. Choose fresh and high-quality ingredients for perfect results. 2. Follow the recipe accurately. Measure the ingredients accurately and follow the steps carefully for guaranteed results. 3. Adjust the temperature carefully. Make sure to preheat the oven and adjust the temperature according to the recipe instructions. 4. Variety of shapes and decorations. Be creative in shaping the sweets and use various shapes and innovative decorations to make them more attractive. 5. Consider cooking time. Do not leave the sweets in the oven for too long and keep checking them regularly to prevent burning. 6. Cooling the sweets. Let the sweets cool completely before serving, as this helps them firm up and improves their taste. 7. Proper storage. If there is a need to store the sweets, place them in airtight containers to maintain their freshness. 8. Experiment and learn. Do not despair if you do not achieve perfect results the first time. Continue experimenting and learning from mistakes to improve your skills. By following these tips and guidelines, you will be able to prepare deli